Make sure when you line up the bench under the Smith machine that the bar's in the right place, where if you lie down with your head up on the top of the bench, it's right above your nipples in that area. That's what we did here for him. So go ahead and lie down. Perfect. Scoot back a little bit. You want that bar right above your nipples. You want to make sure your hands are at a 90-degree angle. So for him, he probably has to put his ring finger on the line of the bar. Make sure it's 90, so find your area on there and that's where you hold it. Go ahead and take it off of the clamps. You got to turn it a little bit. Go ahead, breathe in on the way down and come about an inch off of your chest. Here we go. Come down. Perfect. Blow out on the way up. Now make sure your elbows are under your wrists. So basically under the bar. A lot of people put their elbows back or too much forward. They have to be perfectly under wrist even when you go down. So the wrist and elbow are lined up with your chest. Go ahead, come down. Perfect. Blow out on the way up. His abs are nice and tight. He's not moving around. His shoulders are tucked down. The minute your shoulders come out, then boom, it's working your shoulder. You're going to injure your rotator cuff. You got to keep those shoulders tucked down and that chest up. Once you're done, all you do is you just hook it back on. And you're done with your chest press.